Beckham make a statement on Lionel Messi. He says that in their last interview, he says that when Messi start training with Inter Miami, he comes up early and walk up into the ground to watch Lionel Messi on every week at 7 a.m. A big statement he make for Lionel Messi. The big final of Leagues Cup 2025 playing between Seattle Sounders FC versus Inter Miami, guys. We are discussing about on this match. Is Seattle Sounders winning the Leagues Cup 2025 or Inter Miami who can win the Leagues Cup after 2023 with Lionel Messi? When Lionel Messi first time playing with Inter Miami, they winning the Leagues Cup in 2023. No, they are into the final after winning the match against Orlando City, guys. What a win by Inter Miami against Orlando City in the semi-final. A 3-1 victory, and Seattle Sounders winning the match against LA Galaxy by 2-0. Amazing win by both teams, and match play the Seattle Sounders FC home. So our first question is, can Inter Miami win the match? Or Seattle Sounders beat Inter Miami? And can Lionel Messi win their 47th trophy of their career in their career? Or Inter Miami winning the second Leagues Cup? And can Seattle Sounders also defend it? Star player of Inter Miami have Sergio Busquets, Jordi Alba, Suarez, Rodrigo De Paul, and Lionel Messi. Let's discussing about on these news. So, if you are come first time on our YouTube channel, guys, you need to like our video and subscribe our channel. Seattle Sounders FC facing Inter Miami in their home in the final of Leagues Cup 2025. Leagues Cup playing between MLS teams versus Liga MX is the Mexican league between these two teams, and Seattle Sounders versus Inter Miami is the final match of Leagues Cup 2025. They are facing second time against each other. Last time Inter Miami facing Seattle Sounders FC on 2022. This time Inter Miami beating Seattle Sounders FC by 1-0. Now they are facing second time in the final of Leagues Cup. A very comfortably win the match against Orlando City. Inter Miami scoring two goals scored by Lionel Messi and one goal scored by Segovia against Orlando City, and Pasalic scoring a goal against Inter Miami at the end of the first half. And in the second half, Orlando City considered a red card. 10 Inter Miami scoring 2 goals, and after 90 plus 1 minute, Segovia scoring the third goal. In this way, Inter Miami winning the match by 3-1. And Seattle Sounders FC winning the match against LA Galaxy by 2-0. And first goal scored by Seattle Sounders FC, De La Vega, and second goal scored by Di Rosario. And the coach of Seattle Sounders FC make a statement. He says that if Inter Miami have Lionel Messi and Suarez as a striker, then we have a very good defender. They have more capable, more defending ability and faster runner than Suarez and Messi. So Javier Mascherano doing a press conference on today about the final match of Leagues Cup playing between Inter Miami versus Seattle Sounders FC. Both teams playing with the same lineup. They are playing in the semi-final. Seattle Sounders FC starting with Thomas is the keeper of the team. Roldan, Gomez, Reagan, Solo. 4 are the defender. Vargas and Folden. 2 are the down midfielder. And Rothrock, Ferrari, and De La Vega. 3 are the attacking midfielder. And Di Rosario is the striker of Seattle Sounders FC. Seattle Sounders FC also playing in the FIFA Club World Cup 2025. They are a very good team. They're giving the tough time to Inter Miami. And Inter Miami also playing with the same lineup. They are playing in the semi-final. Ustad is the keeper. Alba, Falcon, John, Frey. Four are the defender. Busquets, right. Maybe Marcelo coming in place of Frey if Marcelo is okay to start the match. Rodriguez, Messi, De Paul. Three are the attacking midfielder and Suarez is the striker of the match, guys. Let's see what will be happening in the match. Messi winning their 47th trophy in their career and Inter Miami winning their second Leagues Cup title in their history. So the match will be started tomorrow at 5 a.m. Our time zone is GMT plus 5. So Mascherano do a press conference. He says that when you join a club and project like this, what you aim for is to try to complete in everything. We can play. We were left with a better taste a few months ago when we could not reach the Champions League final. And also Rodrigo De Paul make a statement on Messi. We know Messi mentally of competing and winning things for him and for all the guys who have been putting in a lot of effort. It's a dream for everyone and a boost of strength and desire. Rodrigo De Paul also says that I knew the rival quite well. We have started watching videos and we know that what we are up against. It's a team that has had a great cup run and with their fans, they will have hope of winning the title, guys. Rodrigo De Paul also says that everyone knows my football and who I live with. Tomorrow is the final and I will do everything in my power to win it. And also Rodrigo De Paul and Messi win the World Cup for Argentina 2022. Javier Mascherano make a statement on Messi. Messi is doing well. We saw him in the match against Orlando. Once again, he made the difference despite having a few days of inactivity. Happy for him and how the match ended. Mascherano, the entire team is available except for Alan Obando has suffered an injury. He traveled with us because we believe that in these types of matches, when a title is at stake, everyone should travel. Mascherano also says that Tedesco is a very important player within the squad. He is the only player who has participated in all the matches. We are assessing based on the teams needed, guys. This is the press conference done by Mascherano, and these are the Mascherano statement for the match. And Inter Miami have not keep a clean sheet in 7 matches, and Seattle Sounders has FC playing really good the semi-final. If we see the last 5 matches record of both teams, Inter Miami winning 3 matches, 1 match and our draw and 1 match lose against Orlando. And same record have Seattle Sounders 3 match win, 1 draw and 1 lose. So Inter Miami have not kept the clean sheet in their last 8 matches. So what is our prediction about the match? Our prediction is a lot of things will be happening in the final. It's a final. It could be a 2-2, 2-1 for Inter Miami, 2-1 for Seattle Sounders, 1-1 for in the match, 1-0 for Inter Miami, 1-0 for Seattle Sounders. Anything will be happening in the match. It's a League Cup final match. So in my opinion, my prediction is 1-0 for Inter Miami. Inter Miami winning the match by 1-0. We can see the defending line of Inter Miami. So the match also will be ended on 1-1 and the match going on penalties. So I am going with 2 prediction. What's your prediction? You can also let us know about your prediction in our comment section. And let's see which prediction is going on right at the end of the match. See you in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.